When a purchased role expires, it will still be attached to a user unless it is preset to remove. This will give an error and block SOLIDWORKS from launching. To preset expired roles to be removed, the platform admin will need to navigate to the Platform Management dashboard. In the top tabs of the dashboard, select Members. Navigate to Configure Member Options and make sure the first listed option is activated, showing blue. This will automate the removal for future role changes. To remove expired roles from current users, return to the Member section and select the user by clicking the eye icon next to their name. In the pop-up window, you will see all the roles attached to the user. Any of the roles with only the red calendar logo next to them means they are expired roles that no longer exist. Remove these roles by unchecking the corresponding checkbox to the left of each.